Hello, friends. Hello, my people. Are you okay? Today, I am going to show you how to cook ogbono soup. You know ogbono soup. What you say, mammy? Is see for ogbono. Okay. I will start with my ingredients. I will show you the ingredients. Okay. Here I have shaki meat. First of all, wash your shaki properly. Boil like 3 minutes. Pour away the water because you don't know what chemical and where they washed it. Okay, that's my shaki. Here is my steamed meat. Not boiling. I don't cook my meat with the water. I steam meat. I steam my meat. Okay, not my meat. So what animal? The meat. Okay, so here is the sauce. This sauce derived from okporoko. You know, middle okporoko, ishichi okporoko, middle okporoko. Okay, so this sauce derived from the okporoko. I have my ogbono here. I have red oil. Dinma, what are you doing? I have red oil here. I have maggi. I have crayfish and salt. I have dry fish, well washed. Remove the bones inside. I have my stock fish. I have spinach. I have my spinach. Okay. I also have pepper, but I'm not gonna put pepper because I don't eat pepper. Mama don't eat pepper. Not everybody eats pepper. So this pepper I will make it separately. When I portion their food, then I'll put pepper. So let's begin. Okay. And first of all, add the oil. Add the red oil. Okay. Then I'll add my ogbono. Some people fry ogbono. If you have like reflux, heartburn, fried food triggers reflux. Okay, so I don't fry my ogbono. Okay, so I add my ogbono. So you add and stir. You add and stir. That's the ogbono. Okay, you stir properly. Stir properly to avoid lumps. You stir properly to avoid lumps. Okay. Keep stirring until it's well melted. Okay. Alright. Then I will add my crayfish, maggi, and salt. Okay. Okay. Now the ogbono is like becoming thicker. Then I will add my warm water. It's good to add warm water so that the food will pick up cooking. If you add cold water, it will like drop. The temperature will drop. Okay. I'll add my dry fish, well washed. Remove the bone. Okay. Then I'll add my stockfish. I'll add my stockfish. You break it. Okay, so after stirring, you cover for like 30 minutes so that the ogbono and the some other ingredients will line up. Okay, you cover for 30 minutes. All right, let's give it some time. Okay, after 30 minutes, oh my days, this is delicious. After 30 minutes, I add the shaki and add the steamed beef meat. Okay, this is beef meat. Okay, I add the beef meat and stir. Okay, you see the soup is almost done. The soup is almost done. This is so yummy. Chineke na ka bụkwa ya ka bụ ericha abịa ọzọ. Ụmụnne m ka bụ ericha abịa ọzọ. Okay, you cover again for the shaki, meat and other ingredients in the soup to rime up. Okay, you cover for like another 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes you come back and check your delicious soup. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. You have to taste and see if ingredients is enough, if you have enough Maggi and salt. Wow, I have enough of them. This is so nice. Now I'm going to add my spinach. The soup is done, eh? This is spinach. You leave it to defrost. Don't put frozen spinach in the soup. You leave it to defrost. Then you squeeze out the water. You see? It's melted. You squeeze out the water. Don't defrost with microwave. Just bring it out for like 1 hour before the cooking. It will melt. Okay, you see the spinach. All right, so the spinach is now added. So you stir, add and stir. The soup is ready. Bring your swallow near body. Okay, the soup is done. Because the spinach is frozen one, so we are going to give it like 5 minutes, another 5 minutes, because it's cold, so it needs time to pick up, then get cooked. Okay, so the soup is done. I'm boiling water for swallow. Carry your own swallow, come on, make we chop together. That's for swallow. I'm not going to add the pepper here because not everybody in the house eats pepper. But if you like pepper, you add pepper while cooking. Okay. So I'm going to make. Okay. Oh la la, friends, the soup is done. The soup is done. Carry your swallow, come on, let's eat together. If you want, if you follow this direction, believe me, you are going to cook squisito. Okay, guys, if you like my cooking, share, like, and subscribe. All right, bye bye.